Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix PayPal this card is not accepted. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So this one is kind of complicated because you have to check multiple things in your account for you to actually solve this issue. Now, first thing that you could do here is you want to make sure that the card that you are using is still valid. So there's an expiration date that you could see on your card itself. So make sure that you're not past that expiration date for you to be able to use your card. So if you're past that expiration date and you're still using that card, then most probably you won't be able to connect that card, or you have the issue that says this card is not accepted. So in this case, if that's the case, you need to get a new card or contact your local bank, and from there you just need to create or ask for a new card. Now, if your card is not past its expiration date, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to ensure that the card that you are using actually has a balance on it. So sometimes it's PayPal is going to basically do a mini transaction, meaning just to ensure that your account actually has funds on it. So it's going to make that simple transfer, but they're going to again, they would actually return those funds, so you don't have to worry about that one. But yeah, so if you don't have enough funds, you might get this issue. So make sure that you have enough funds on your account. Now, the other thing that you could do here is you might want to check your bank details. So for example, the address that you provided on your PayPal account doesn't actually matches with the bank details, or the card details that you provided doesn't actually match. So there's a high probability that you will receive this issue. So make sure that the details that is in your PayPal account matches with your bank. So if your details are not up to date, make sure that you update the necessary details. So maybe on your bank, or in your card, or in your PayPal. Now, the next thing that you could do here is just basically contact your local bank. So in this case, you go ahead and just look for the number or the customer support or customer care hotline that they have for your bank, and you could go ahead and ask assistance on solving this issue, or get tips on how you could actually solve your issue. Now, if that is not the case, so if you're still trying to basically look for the solution for your problem, so most probably your bank is not actually associated with PayPal, so they don't support PayPal. That might be a case, but it's better that you actually contact your bank. Now, if you're still wondering other details that you could do here, there's actually a specific article that PayPal actually released for this one if you want to go ahead and read further into this one. But most of the time, what I just discussed with you is the details or the things that you could do to actually solve your issue. But if you want to read further in this one, because this is directly from PayPal, the things that you could actually look into. So you could go to this article by just going to google.com and just typing PayPal, your card is declined. So you'll be able to see this first article here, and you'll be able to read further into this one. But yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.